sawa. All right, and a very, very good morning. Towering right behind me, right here in Kenya's capital, Nairobi plus 254, is an amazing, amazing building. And 4 houses in here have gone. Today, we get to unveil the 5th winner. Who is the 5th winner? Welcome to the Lipa na M-Pesa Live show. Join with me as we get to find out who is the next winner. It's going to be amazing. Come with me. All right, that's what's been happening right here at the Lipa na M-Pesa live show. Remember that today we are going to be unveiling the 5th winner for the house. We are at Rerouter in Nairobi, and today we are going to be unveiling the 5th winner. Who is the 5th winner? We are going to find out in just a short while. You want to keep me company because remember, there are also 8 tractors to be given, and right behind me, right there, is 5 tuk-tuks. That too will get to be given away today. Who are going to be the winners? You too can be part of this. It's amazing. This is the Lipa na M-Pesa live show, and we are out in Rerouter, and it's simply amazing. You can make this stuff up.
With Lipa na M-Pesa, you get more.
Lipa na M-Pesa.
More convenience. More ease. More flexibility. And now you can win apartments, tractors with extras, plus surprise gifts to 8 customers every minute. Make payments via M-Pesa Buy Goods or Pay Bill. Every 100 shillings spent on Lipa na M-Pesa earns you an entry into the draw. Do more with Lipa na M-Pesa.
All right, friends, it's not only about houses. It's also about such. How can you get your hands onto such? Please, Lipa na M-Pesa is all you need. When you walk into your shopping store, when you walk into your groceries, when you walk into your petrol station, when you walk into your barber shop, when you walk into your salon, and you get to pay via Lipa na M-Pesa, you get some entry points. Just what happened last week. Last week, we were able to see a receptionist out in Mombasa earning herself the 4th house. Today, who is going to walk away with the 5th house? It's going to be happening right here. We're going to unveil to you who is the 5th winner. Remember, for every shopping that you do of 100 Kenyan shillings, you earn yourself 1 point. So pull out your phone and pay via Lipa na M-Pesa. Pay, because it's all happening right here with Lipa na M-Pesa. We are celebrating you for being loyal customers. We are celebrating you for being loyal merchants. So anytime you go out, please pay via Lipa na M-Pesa.
Do join us.
This is a journey for you to own your own home.
On February 14th, the Valentine's Day, couldn't have been anything better to do than hand over. The house is called Nyumba. So, hongeri sana.
Lipa na M-Pesa is very safe because, of course, you won't be walking around with cash. So it's safe for you to shop around and, of course, pay your bills with Lipa na M-Pesa. And also, you stand a chance to win a house like mine.
Please join us on this other side. We have enough seats for everyone. Bwana Oluo, karibu sana. Karibu sana. Unajisikia? Asante sana mwalimu. All right. Thank you guys. As you join us, thank you. Asanteni sana. Well, good morning everyone. Habari zenu? On behalf of our winner of the day, Oyaure. So you know it, right? Why you guys behaving as if you're in a club? You know it. So you know when all these Luo, Medlis, Kikuyus play, everybody knows the other person's language, isn't it? So Yaure Uru, congratulations. So you guys know the language, fantastic. Habari zenu, good morning. Muriega, fantastic. We are one nation. So thank you so much everyone for joining us this wonderful morning. As you all know, this is Lipa na M-Pesa, do more handover. This is our number 5 house going. Let's appreciate our number 5 winner in the house. Beginning my coffee. It's a wonderful, wonderful time. I want everybody to allow me not to divulge into Kiswahili because we Luos can only write good Swahili. But speaking, we can't speak it. Ama mwalimu nadanganya. Insha za Nyanza ndio the best inshas. Si ndio? Lakini spoken mko na ngeli ya jimas mkiendelea lia uwa mwalimu utaniruhusu. So I'll refer to you with your very famous name at home, which is Japuonji. Everybody say Japuonji. Yes, that is to mean teacher. So Japuonji Waruaki, karibu sana. All right. I am trilingual, so nikiongea French usikasirike. Fantastic. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, again, just to give you a short brief of this place that we are in, up as you are walking in, there are some offices. You can visit our offices. They're up there, up here, just as you're walking in. They're nice offices, just in case you'll be called by, sorry sir, they're called executive chambers of release. Or what you understand what I'm talking about, don't you? Yes. Yeah, you can attend to your biological calls from that side. Am I complex enough? Thank you, sir. All right. So there you are, up there. There are wonderful rooms in colors. Please, just in case you feel you get a call, do join us at our executive chambers of release. Thank you, Japonj. And as we are going on, we have a buffet, depending on where you came from, buffet, but we'll be serving it way later after all of these charades, okay? Thank you so much for taking time to be here again and again. So as we always do, please be up on your feet so you can start with a word of prayer. Now that we've put a disclaimer on everything that we are to do today, all right? There we go. Fantastic. So, in respect of other religions, we just share the Lord's Prayer. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. There you go. You can have your lovely seats. Thank you so much. This being our house number 5, which is being given out today. And we also have some amazing people who are our merchants. Merchants, if you're here, please be up on your feet. Merchants, any merchant who's a winner today. Please let's appreciate this wonderful team. Let's appreciate them. They're making sure that people pay via M-Pesa. We really appreciate you. Asanteni sana. And congratulations for being here. Asanteni, you can have your seats from different areas. Asanteni sana na sana na sana. Just a short history. We had some amazing winners. We had a policeman all the way from Kwale, Ruben Kaitani, who walked away with the first house. Then we went to Samuel, who was a quarry worker. Jamaa alikuwa anatengeneza kokoto, lakini sasa kokoto yake imemjengea nyumba. Wow. Wow. So, then number 2, that was Samuel from Narumoru. Then we have Joseph Kipkirui, all the way from Rift Valley Burnt Forest, who was a night surveillance officer, which you call a watchman. You call watchman. We are not allowed to call them watchmen. They are called night surveillance officers, who won himself another wonderful house right here. And today, we have somebody who is none other than a person who is a consummate education dispenser. Japunj. Somebody say Japunj. Ladies and gentlemen, please put our hands together for Edward Opio Olwatch, who's joined today by his wife and 3 children, and he's a secondary school teacher in Nyamonye Girls, Bondo. What a kumis. So you're moving to Nairobi, dongi. Sasa Instagram yako itaharibika jamani. Utaharibu ile Instagram. This is me walking into my bedroom. As you can see, we have a big basin called jacuzzi. Dongi. So we're so happy for you. To tell us more about this wonderful promotion, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, actually to give us the first remarks is the HOD Regional Sales, Greater Western and Rift, Bwana Patrick Wanjao. Please join us for some short remarks. Bwana Patrick Wanjao, thank you so much, sir. Karibu.
Thank you. Morning, how are you? Habari zenu. Nawaletea salamu kutoka Greater Western and Rift. Greater Western and Rift represent the greater part of Nyanza, Western Province, and Rift Valley Province. And we are very privileged today that we are hosting one of our directors and a winner from our region. We are very privileged because I think in the last, for the last 4 weeks that the promo has been running, the Greater Western Rift region has produced 3 of the winners. So Edwin and the family, congratulations. Mine is just to continue the people who are out there in Greater Western Rift region to confirm to you that this promotion is real. The winners are people we know, and the only trick is that you just need to transact on M-Pesa, a minimum transaction of 100 shillings, and you qualify for that promotion. Without much ado, let me take this opportunity to invite Joe to give us his remarks and award the winner. Karibu Joe.
So, good morning. I'm very delighted, extremely delighted to be here, and I'm going to explain why. But first, as Patrick has said, we're here to award. This will be the 5th house that you're awarding on the Lipa na M-Pesa Do More promotion. You know, our customers have been with us for some time now. And it is good that we should reward them. So this promotion is also about rewarding the loyalty of our customers. But also, we want to thank our merchants. The merchants who have been with us, and because of them, Lipa na M-Pesa is becoming something that we do every day that we don't even think about. So over this period, what we are doing with our merchants to recognize them is that every one of them, by the end of the day, we give back 25% out of the transaction fees. You have to give them a coffee for that. And for our customers, every minute, 1 minute, like now in the next minute, 8 of them will be rewarded. Every single minute. And this with a surprise instant cashback. So today we're here to award, as I've said, the fifth apartment. And the person that we are awarding is Mwalimu Edward Opio Olwach. This is the second reason why I'm happy. The second reason why I'm happy, and I have to declare my interest now. Not that he's a Luo, no. I mean, that's a fact. But because he's from Nyamonye Girls. Now, Nyamonye is in Imbo, where my mother comes from. The name Ogutu is from Nyamonye. There was a mzee called Elisha Ogutu. And I was named after that mzee. Boniface and team, I don't know whether you knew this. This is too much of a coincidence. But to be honest, the chances that Edward will be the winner is 1 in 23 million or something like that, because we have active customers, 23 million. So chances that he will be the winner is 1 in 23 million. I'm sure the numbers could be a little lower than that. So congratulations, Mwalimu. We wish you well. We'll go out exaggerating. Cannot afford to have this house. But by the grace of God, you and your family, you have this house.
Thank you.
So the promotion does not end today. The promotion continues. I think it's another up to the 5th of March. Up to the 5th of March, it continues. And we are going to reward our customers, continuing every minute, 8 of them. We are also giving tuk-tuks, 40 tuk-tuks today, I think. 8 from every region, where every region, I think at the old provinces, 5 from every region. But there's a grand finale that is coming. And I'm really looking forward to this grand finale, where we are going to give trucks. I'm told they're called Fuso trucks. We're going to give trucks with a plow and with a trailer. I'm retiring. What a way to empower me as I go into retirement. Mkinipa hiyo Fuso truck and with a trailer and a plow. So this is what we're telling our customers. This is what we're telling our merchants. Continue to promote Lipa na M-Pesa. It's the easiest way of transacting. It's the easiest way of getting your groceries. You know, I don't know. I was CEO Nick Reed, and he asked one of the merchants in Kakuma, what is the worst thing that could happen to your business? What is it that would affect Kakuma more than anything else? And you know what he said? He was a Somali trader. He said, if M-Pesa goes down. And that tells you, this has become part of our life. And so, we promote with a reason, and you can only encourage our customers and our merchants continue to promote, continue to support M-Pesa. I thank you for your kind attention, and once again, Edward Olwach and your wife and your family, congratulations, and may God bless you.
Thank you so much. Let's appreciate Ogutu. I've had you in for Joe. Wow. So I'd like to call on stage also my very good co-MC who has been on this journey with me. Papi, karibu sana.
Yes. Salimia mwenzako, salimia mwenzako. Salimia mwenzako. Panachibika ama vipi? Give person sitting next to you a high five. Patia them a high five. Tuko na mwalimu hapa. Japuonji mwenyewe. MC Abel.
Usimuite mwalimu, hapa anaitwa Japuonji. Japuonji.
Kabisa.
Yes sir.
Sijui kama tuko na dakika moja extra.
Utakumpatia dakika moja.
Moja tu.
Mimi nani? Mimi nasonga tu.
Huyu jamaa anafundisha shule inaitwa Nyamonye. Mimi nilienda shule inaitwa Nyangoma. Unajua Nyangoma? Mimi nilisomea Nyangoma. Na wasichana wa Nyamonye walikuwa sister school yetu. Though it was, how many kilometers is it from Nyangoma?
Okay.
It's very far, si ndio?
Baba twins usichome.
Sawa. Niko sawa. Twende
kazi.
Yeah.
So, kwa sasa ningependa tuwatambue washindi wetu ambao ni merchants. Yes. Ambao wamekuwa kusaidia hafla hii. Wamekuwa wasaidizi wakuu sana, na ningependa kwanza tumpatie bwana Ogutu ile logbook pale, pamoja na kalamu. Sir, I hope Swahili is not a problem, but you can join us, right? Fantastic.
Abel.
Ogutu Kizungu, bro.
Abel.
Kizungu.
Unajua, how are you, sir?
Ongea Kizungu.
Karibu sana.
Yes.
So this is the logbook. You will sign
so
the logbook.
We need to view. You need to see. All right.
Let me have my BAs hold
there
it.
You go. Please hand him the pen so that he can sign. Just sign right here. Put a big signature right there to officially make sure. Let's appreciate it. Put your hands together for him as he signs the logbook for our merchant.
Yes, let's go. Sorry.
As he's signing, and then my wonderful co-host Papi will be calling you one by one to come and shake his hand, all right? As you shake his hand and take a photo with the wonderful logbook. Are we together? Tuko salama mpaka pale? Tafadhali wekeni sura, tunaita sura za nini?
Ya TV.
Yes, hata wengine pia ni sura ya gazeti.
Ukikuja kupiga picha hapa, please, weka sura ya TV. Na sura ya TV si ati ya usmile. That is a misconception. Now, without further ado,
yes, sir.
The first winner is Rahab Mugo, who is from Ray of Light Limited.
Mpigeni makofi. Naomba uwe katikati ya hapo, sawa. Sawa Rahab.
Angalia picha.
Songea karibu na logbook. Tuktuk imekuja, iko na mafuta. Usiogope, uko sawa. Uko sawa.
Asante sana Rahab. The second one, ladies and gentlemen, is Marion Wanjiro from Galaxy Side.
Asante sana. Hapo sawa.
Tuktuk zinaenda kuenda. This competition, ladies and gentlemen, is one of its kind. The merchants are winning and the consumers are also winning. That is Rahab.
Let's go.
All right, that's Marion.
Sura ya gazeti, wewe naona picha tutatumia. Uko tu sawa. Umeipata kabisa.
Asante. The next one, ladies and gentlemen, is Irene Kemunto. Asante sana. Yeah. Ladies are winning this
Mommy pause now, pause. Mommy tulia, relax.
Thank you. Asante sana. The next one is Nyapara Isaac. Thank you very much, Mr. Nyapara. You are representing the boy child. Thank you. Asante sana.
Haya. Hapo sawa. Weka sura baba.
Haya.
Cheka nao.
Asante sana. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, Mary Gakuha from Yes We Can Pabo.
Mpigeni makofi. Haya, yupo tayari. Mama una madaha wewe.
Watu wakienda kukamata kitu, angalia kamera pande ile. Asante sana.
There we go.
Huyu anatoka Yes We Can Pub 1.
Asanteni sana.
Asanteni sana. Let me have all the winners, please.
Let's join one or two right there so that we can take a group photo.
Let's pimp you up with the t-shirts.
So they can move closer to this
with the t-shirt.
Tuk-tuk. Wasonge karibu na tuk-tuk hapa pamoja na bwana Ogutu. Ningeomba hiyo logbook ije pia wapatiwe pale katikati, warembeshe. Iwapatieni pale logbook yao.
Where is the logbook?
Ilete hapa irembeshe. Kwa merchants wetu, kama yote yako na driving license, usiogope, utatoka na pia yako leo. Sawa sawa. Utangurumisha uende naye. Kwa hivyo as you pose right there, let's take a group photo. There we go.
Yes.
There we go. Smile, smile, smile. There goes our lovely winners. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for them, the merchants. So begin my coffee.
Asante sana. Thank you very much.
Wonderfully.
Those are the merchants.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kuti.
Hata sky. Sir, please do not have your seat. Let's
Not yet.
allow yourself to elevate right here. Yes, I don't know if that English is right, but it's okay. Elevate.
Galevant.
Galvant.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time when we present the house to the winner of today, Nyumba 3-bedroom house. Mwalimu, karibu.
Pigieni
Pigeni
makofi.
makofi,
Mshindi wetu wa leo, the winner.
Ngoja, DJ, ngoja. Unajua, basi tunafanya vitu. Yani leo ni kanungo and above.
Yes.
DJ uko na kanungo? Uko na kanungo?
Anayo.
DJ bwana.
Kwanza kuna ya bondo. Ako na mziki wa bondo. Ana mziki wa bondo.
Leta mziki wa bondo. DJ shikilia. This is where everybody stands up kidogo. Simama kidogo tafadhali. Tumpe heshima na furaha mshindi wetu Mwalimu Edward. Mko tayari? DJ wachilia vitu.
Kuja venye unataka.
Bwana Bika Kimiel.
Kasirika. Nje urudi tena. Kasirika. Enda urudi tena.
You are a landlord. You can walk.
You can walk.
You can walk here.
Mwalimu. Mwalimu. Japonji. Sasa makofi ya juu tafadhali.
Kila mtu shikilia kiuno. Chini. Shikilia hapo kwanza. Tuendelea baadaye. Kila mtu kaa chini. Mwalimu. Songea hapa. Kabla upewe nyumba, ashatuambia.
Hata si nini? Washikilia maonaje? Vile tunafanya.
Huyu jamaa ashatuambia vile alisikia.
Hata sijui. Hata sijajatuambia. Ni mpole. Si mtu wa maneno mengi.
Unajua huu ni Sonko. Sema Sonko. Sio ule Sonko wa Nairobi, Sonko wa Safaricom. Msalimie, salimie vipi? Bra, ulipopigiwa simu.
Kizungu chama. Kiswahili.
Okay. Unafundisha nini Nyamonye?
Kizungu.
Maths and geography.
Unasikia?
Maths and geography.
Wewe ni mwalimu wa maths? Umererieka. Now, when you were called, first of all, when were you called?
Around 9:30.
When, what day? Wewe ni mwalimu wa maths. When?
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday. When you were called, what time was it? What were you doing, first of all?
It was around 9:30. I was just sitting on the sitting room. I'd gone from school to home for the half-term break.
All right.
Yeah.
So you were just at home, chilling?
I was just at home. I'd just woken up. I was relaxing there.
All right.
Then I saw the unique Safaricom line calling me. And I was wondering, which transaction do they want to reverse?
Guys, I told you English is not a problem. Keep using it, Mwalimu. Keep using it.
So you saw the 0722000000 and thought of?
Maybe a transaction reversal.
And then you received the call.
I received the call, but it was different. Somebody was trying to find out if that line belongs to me. Yeah. Then he asked me questions about me, and it maybe he was checking somewhere also. Confirming.
All right.
The last thing he asked was, what are the last 2 digits of your ID number?
Yes, sir.
Then I told him 77. And he confirmed that I was the owner of the line.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that, Kizungu.
Bro.
All this time,
yes,
you had not suspected anything.
No.
You are still thinking of the transaction.
But it was different this time round.
Chairman, it is evident you are fasting and praying because your heart was at peace, calm like the cool waters of Bermuda Triangle, isn't it? You were so relaxed.
I became nervous, yes.
Oh.
Because he wanted to know me more.
All right.
Now, during the reverse transactions, they will not ask you a lot. But this time round, you're asking more details.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, and then they told you that you had won the house. What was your reaction?
I was sweating.
Chairman, we Luos do not
Chairman,
sweat.
you can sweat, Abel.
Luos sweat. we vibrate.
We perspire.
And then we stop like that.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
So you were sweating. You were perspiring.
I went to the kitchen, told Mama. She was like, is it real? Yeah.
Lakini wamama mnatushuku ingi sana.
Now I think, is it real? Then I waited for the next call. And after around 40 minutes, the next call came. Then to assure me more, the caller knows that area.
Oh, so he told you he understands the area very well. Okay?
He insisted to know what I do. I told him I'm a teacher. Then he wanted to know where I teach. I asked him, do you know this area very well? Yeah, I know the area. Just tell me the school. Then I told him Nyamonya Girls. And he was very happy. The father was a board member.
Hii kitu haikupangwa? Safaricom. Team Safaricom.
Usiseme sana.
Hii kitu haikupangwa?
Babu, usiseme sana.
Then I know that he was very happy. And he also realized that I know the father. But I did not know him.
You? Really?
I know
Like really?
Like really.
Huh? the father was a head.
Okay.
He was a headmaster.
Okay.
For Ngere High School, then Ambira High School. He's known.
So you knew the father. So, and then you were told that now you will come and receive the house.
Yes.
Okay? So what are you right now? Did you doubt when now you were told now you have to come to Nairobi to receive the house?
Imagine after the calls, the team from Kisumu came to my house. They came home.
All right.
Then things were just...
Anybody from Kisumu? Kisumu. Kisumu. Simama. Kisumu.
Hey, Nyamwalo.
Okay.
The team from Kisumu came to my house. I gave them direction, they came. And I saw things falling in place up to the time they came back to pick me the following day, yesterday.
You were picked in a what? As a Luo, you know you have to paint the picture.
Paint the picture.
Let's just get this out there. You were picked in a what?
A brand new double cabin.
Double. Usizidi bwana papi. Usizidi. Kama umekubali sema wanyale. Kama umekubali sema wanyale. Hapo sawa, yani tumeiweza.
You were picked in a brand new double cabin.
Ndio hizi. Tumeiweza.
Ukapelekwa wapi?
From there, we went to Kisumu. We took breakfast. We went to the office.
You took breakfast where? Omera. Where did you, this is Safaricom we're talking about.
Papi.
Where did you take breakfast?
Papi.
We have to understand.
To the Java.
See? Class.
We went to Java. I've always had Java in a song. Safaricom took me there. From there, we went to the office just to greet the people. After that, we were picked by the airport car. Then I was in a plane for the first time.
Wapi makofi. You are in a plane for the first time.
For the first time.
With your family.
With my family. Everybody in my family has boarded a plane now.
All right. Papi,
yes, sir.
Tusipomweka mwalimu sana. Hapo ndo anabadilisha kizungu anasema now the rest is present. Is present.
Present.
The rest is present
here. Sindio?
Sindio.
So, this is where we present to you the house. The house is real.
Okay.
Ungependa kuambia nini Safaricom kwanza?
I appreciate so much. I've always used Safaricom. to make transactions. I do. At school, I receive fare for students.
Oh.
I receive pocket money. That is why I thought somebody was reversing. Maybe a girl has not paid.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
So what kind of transactions do you do? Do you lipa na M-Pesa as we hand over the key to you?
Well, I receive the money for the girls. A parent can come to school with cash, and we don't accept cash. I help them pay using the M-Pesa.
All right.
Our school has a pay bill number.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Without further ado, sir, let's hand over the house. That is the key. Wapi makofi. Salimia yeye.
As he takes that photo, like the family to join
Thank you.
in. Familia.
I want the family to join in.
Familia and
Family to join in and receive the house.
join in for the photo.
Yeah, you've seen it.
Join for
It's
the photo.
okay.
We shall.
Landlord,
Landlord.
Simama hapo mama.
Hapo sawa.
Let's take that. Smile. Smile kama mtu wako na landlord sasa.
Hapo sawa.
Madam, smile hawa. What is?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's appreciate the winner. Mpigieni makofi tafadhali. Thank you so much. We like to invite the very few people, the media team, and our digital team. I think that a very small team from Safaricom to join.
Mwalimu Edward Opio Oluoch is the winner of the 5th house. Remember, he's a math and geography teacher at Nyamonye Girls in Kisumu. I know you're curious to find out how does the house look like. Please come with me and let's go check out how the house looks like. All right, Mwalimu Edward Opio Oluoch is the winner of the 5th apartment right here in Ruruta. It's Kenya happening right here in the +254 Nairobi. Mwalimu Oluoch came all the way from Kisumu, and he says for the first time, courtesy of Safaricom, they put he and his family in a house. And he says he only heard of Java, but courtesy of Safaricom, they put he and his family for breakfast there. I know you're very curious to find out, how does the house look like? Tell you what, it's an exquisite house. It's a 3-bedroom house, and it's furnished beautifully and elegantly. Details of that, I'll keep you hanging just a bit because I want to show you how the inside looks like. But as you can see behind me, there's a lot of pomp and color. And allow me just to go and just get a slight jig with these guys so that we can see Mwalimu. There you have it. That's his family. He's a father of 3, and he's a math and geography teacher. Mwalimu, you can just come in kidogo as we dance to the house. How does it feel to win the house?
So nice.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right. Karibu sana. All right, this is Mwalimu Edward Oluoch Opio. He comes to us from Kisumu, and today he is a landlord. Just how does the house look like? Please come with me as he cuts the green ribbon and opens the house. Accompanied by one of our chiefs, the chiefs of special programs, Engineer Joe Ogutu. He will be cutting the house, and then we'll get a sneak preview of what's happening on the inside. It's pomp and color right here with Shinda. na M-Pesa. Lipa na M-Pesa. Nakusikia. So we do the All right. All right, that's Mwalimu Edward Opio Oluoch from Kisumu. Remember, he teaches at Nyamonye Girls in Kisumu, and he's a math and English teacher. And today, he's been able to see the house. He's checking out the bedrooms on the inside. I told you, it's simply exquisite. Look at this. This is is simply beautiful. And remember, he has got 3 children. So this is going to be one of the bedrooms for the children. So we are just waiting for him to finish up on the inside so that we can have an interview with him. Remember that this is the Lipa na M-Pesa show live. It's giving you a chance to own a home. Safaricom is transforming people from being tenants into landlords using Lipa na M-Pesa. How can you be a partaker of this? Remember, the benefits of using M-Pesa is that you don't have to carry bulk cash. It's absolutely convenient. You had Mwalimu downstairs saying in the school they pay through Lipa na M-Pesa, and he's just about to leave. He's checking out the bedrooms on the inside, and then we'll have an interview with him just to find out how is he feeling right now that he is a landlord. Remember, winner number 1 was a policeman. Winner number 2 was somebody who works in a quarry. Winner number 3 was a receptionist. And now we have been able to see a teacher. We have 2 more to go. 2 more houses to go. Will you be the winner? Pay through Lipa na M-Pesa. All right, here they are. And we will ask Mwalimu to come for an interview. Mwalimu, this is Lipa na M-Pesa Live, and we will request to have an interview with you right here, just to ask you how you feel after you've seen the house. Please, let's come here. Please come here. All right. Excuse me, sir. How are you? This is Lipa na M-Pesa Live. We'd like to have an interview with you here. All right. All right, thank you so much. And here is the winner, Mwalimu Edward Olwoch. And we just want to ask him a few questions. How has he seen the house? How does the house look like?
The house is wonderful.
Is it something that you had ever imagined that you would see and have?
I've never imagined this, but I love good houses. Okay. I have never imagined this.
What would you tell other Safaricom users?
Please let us embrace Lipa na M-Pesa. Let us use Safaricom. Let us call using Safaricom. Do everything with Safaricom. It helps a lot.
All right, there you have it. And we also have with us one of the senior staff from Safaricom, Engineer Joe Ogutu. Sir, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
How does it feel when people are so happy with Safaricom?
I think we are delighted because we really consider our customers as our partners and as kings, to be honest with you. We would want them to have the very best. We don't always do right by them, but we try our best to give them the very best.
All right, we have seen you transforming somebody who works in a quarry into a landlord. We have seen a police officer transforming from a tenant into a landlord. A teacher now is a landlord. How does that make you feel?
You know, the main purpose of Safaricom is transforming lives. And we say that whatever we do, even if it is just selling airtime, we would want that airtime to transform the life of an individual. So to see somebody who, as you say, is a quarry worker, to be able to get a house such as this with the opportunity to become a landlord, with the opportunity to completely change his livelihood, I think that's very gratifying for us.
All right, and you had Mwalimu down there as you were giving him the key to the house, is saying that in school they pay with Lipa na M-Pesa. How does that make you feel?
We are delighted, to be honest with you. Lipa na M-Pesa is really about providing convenience to our customers. And therefore, if our customers find it convenient to pay for groceries, to pay for their, whatever it is that they want to pay for, school fees, utilities, some even use that to pay for their dowries. I mean, we are delighted because they have a convenient way of transacting.
All right, there you've had it. That Safaricom is even, Lipa na M-Pesa is even being used to pay dowries. Thank you so much for keeping us company. This is the Lipa na M-Pesa live show, transforming tenants into landlords.
He has one more thing to say.
All right, I'm told that he has got one more thing to say.
Lipa na M-Pesa also enhances transparency and accountability. And we are struggling with that in Kenya. Yeah.
All right, that's a great parting shot. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, friends, that's the fifth winner. His name is Edward Oluoch Opio, and he's a teacher out in Kisumu. English, he's a math and geography teacher. He's been able to get the fifth house. Next week, there's also another one. Who will be the winner? Please keep us company here as we unveil to you who will be the sixth winner. And remember, anywhere you go this weekend, whether it's paying for your groceries, whether it's doing your shopping, whether it's doing your haircut or your salon, please pay with Lipa na M-Pesa. See you next week as we unveil the sixth winner. Downstairs you saw 5 merchants who were able to go with some tuk-tuks. It's not only for the customers, but even for the merchants. Thank you so much for keeping us company on the Lipa na M-Pesa live show, where we are transforming tenants into landlords.
With Lipa na M-Pesa, you get more.
Lipa na M-Pesa.
More convenience.
Do more with M-Pesa.
More ease. More flexibility. And now you can win apartments, tractors with extras, plus surprise gifts to 8 customers every minute. Make payments via M-Pesa Buy Goods or Pay Bill. Every 100 shillings spent on Lipa na M-Pesa earns you an entry into the draw. Do more with Lipa na M-Pesa.